What's going on, everyone? We have the brand new Land Cruiser here in the shop, and we just installed our brand new hood strut kit. Super easy to do, just makes your Land Cruiser a little bit cleaner and easier to work on. So let's go ahead and show you how to get it done. So for tools, you're going to be using a ratchet, a 10 and 12 millimeter socket, and we have a 10 millimeter wrench. And then we have the kit here, which is going to have the 2 gas struts, all the brackets, and all the hardware to get this installed. Should be pretty easy, so let's go ahead, pop the hood on the Land Cruiser and get to it. All right, so we got the hood popped. The first thing we're gonna do is remove these plastic covers on both sides of the Land Cruiser. So there's a bunch of clips on here to hold this in place. We're not gonna be popping the clips out, but we are gonna be removing the plastic cover from the clips itself. So on the very front, we're going to take the cover and we're going to push it towards the inside. So you can see the clip right there, and we pulled it out of this piece. Now there's clips underneath the rest of it. We're going to slide it forward and pull it up. And now you're gonna have one clip at the back, which requires you to push it in now. And now you can pull this whole thing off. So now we are ready to start mounting on the brackets. You can see we have 2 different styles of brackets here. This one has this weird bend to it. That one's gonna be going down here on the fender, like so. And then we have the other style of bracket, which is gonna be going up on the hood hinge itself. So we have the bracket that's gonna be going on the fender. We have the one, so the ball mount is gonna be facing towards the front of the Land Cruiser. You can see this is curved so that it can go around this part on the fender. And then we're gonna be using this hole that's right here next to this 10 millimeter bolt. So we're gonna be taking our 10 millimeter nut. We're going to be putting that underneath and holding it in place like so. We're gonna put the bracket there, and then we're gonna take our 10 millimeter bolt with a washer, and we're gonna get that started. So now that we have that started, I have a 10 millimeter wrench on the nut, and we're gonna go ahead and tighten this down. Make sure when you tighten this down, it is straight with the fender. You don't want it to be like this when it's tight. All right, bottom bracket is tight. Now we're gonna go ahead and install the bracket on the hood hinge. So the bottom bolt, we're gonna go ahead and take that out with a 12 millimeter socket. Now you don't have to worry about your hood going anywhere. It still has the other bolt holding it in place. So it's okay to just take this out. So we'll take our bracket. It's going to be going on in this orientation like this. So we'll go ahead and get that bolted on. Go ahead and tighten that down. All right, we got both brackets on and tight. Now we're ready to install the hood strut itself. You can see we have the piston here. That's gonna be going towards the bottom bracket. And all we need to do is put that in place, push it, it'll snap in. Now this one here, in order to get this lined up, you're just gonna have to lift up on the hood just a little bit and put that in place. So this side is done. We can go ahead and do the same exact stuff over on the passenger side, and we'll be finished. Now, quick little tip, when you go to put these onto both of the mounts, the ends might not line up perfectly. So all you gotta do is just hold it and twist it around until everything gets lined up, and then you can just snap them on. All right, so with both sides on, now we can go ahead and reinstall our plastic pieces that cover the edge of the fender. So we're gonna put these on the opposite way of how we took them off. So start in the back, line up that clip. We'll go ahead and pull that front once it's lined up, and then we'll work our way down and get the other clips in place. All right guys, so with everything back together, now we obviously don't need the hood prop anymore. So we can go ahead and push up on the hood a little bit. We can clip this back in place. And now if you have to work on anything under the hood, whether you're doing your oil change or whatever, this hood prop is now not going to be in your way. The hood closes nicer and is easier to open as well. Pretty simple install, just makes your Land Cruiser a little bit cleaner. All right, everyone, that's gonna be a wrap on the hood strut kit here for the new Land Cruiser. If you guys liked this video or found it helpful, make sure to give it a like. If you have any questions, drop a comment down below. It's going to help our channel a ton. And if you wanna pick this setup for your Land Cruiser, you can head over to yotaxpedition.com. Link is down in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.